Want to make money with affiliate marketing but you don't know where to start? In this video, I'm revealing the easiest way to start affiliate marketing in 2025 with zero investment, okay, and 100% free traffic. No website, no paid ads, and no experience needed. I have personally used this strategy to generate thousands in passive income, and today I'm giving you the step-by-step method so you can start making commissions as soon as today. Stay till the end because I will also share with you guys my secret free traffic source that almost no one talks about. Okay, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they are asking what is affiliate marketing, it's one of the easiest way to make money online without creating your own products or your own services or dealing with customer service. How it works: you just need to promote other people's products or services using special affiliate link, and whenever someone buys using your link, you earn a commission. Simply as that. Okay, now you know what affiliate marketing is. Let me show you how you can start and how I'm making thousands of dollars every single month using free traffic. Okay, this is my affiliate account dashboard, and as you can see, just in the last 7 days I made $6,791 just in 7 days. Okay, and just in the last month I made $22,657. This is the payment, this is my invoice, and it's paid as you can see over here. Okay, anyway, I'm not here to show you the result. I want to show you guys how we can start and how we can also start making some commissions like this. Okay, please follow this video step by step, because if you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, you need to join an affiliate marketing program. Okay, and the best one that I'm working with is Fiverr. Okay, you guys can go to Google and you can search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, just sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you will just use your email address to sign up, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and just scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr. We will start promoting services, and this is one of the best and the profitable affiliate marketing businesses that you can start as a beginner with free traffic. You don't need any investments and they are paying good commission. So for the first order, for example, for pro services, you can earn 17% of the first order. Okay, and the best part is that you guys can keep earning 10% of future orders. 10% revenue share for each purchase your buyers make in the next 12 months. Meaning, if this person will keep buying more services in the next 12 months, for every transaction this person will make on Fiverr, you earn 10%, which is really good. Okay, so it's evergreen affiliate business. You can keep earning commissions. We will get back to this and I will talk and I will explain more how much you will earn and how this commissions works. Okay, so to start, what you need to do next, you need to create your affiliate account. So you just need to click here on join now like this, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program, and as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Okay, and choose your country from here. Your location, it doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Just search for your country from here, and after that, click here and choose your language. And if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Okay, just click on next. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, CTR, and so on. what you will do next, you need to choose good services that you will start promoting as a Fiverr affiliate using completely free traffic. And the best source of traffic for me, guys, is YouTube. You should know that YouTube is a gold mine for free traffic. You can get so much traffic from YouTube, okay? And let's go to YouTube. What you will do next, you will open your YouTube account like this. And YouTube, guys, has 30 billion monthly visitors. Do you understand the traffic that is on YouTube? Millions of people every single day scrolling on YouTube, searching for services, topics, and so much more. And a lot of people, a lot of YouTubers are selling services, products, digital products, and more just by using YouTube, and they are getting crazy money every single day. Okay, YouTube is the best traffic source for me. And so, guys, just to explain this, 30 billion monthly visits meaning multiple visits per user. So people can visit YouTube multiple times a day, and one person can generate thousands of or hundred of visits per month. Okay, so 30 billion visits doesn't mean 30 billion unique user. It means YouTube is one of the most visited platform in the world. Okay, so what you will do next? Okay, pay close attention. We need to promote services that people will be interested to buy. Okay, so what you will do next, you will use your YouTube search bar, click on the search and ask, for example, question how to let's ask, for example, how to rank number one. And here you go. Do you see this? You just need to type here questions and YouTube will give you topics that people are searching for. This is report search prediction. As you can see over here, people search for how to rank number one on Google, how to rank number one on Amazon with SEO. Okay, so people search for this topic. So I will promote services related to those topics that people are searching for, like this one, how to rank number one on Google. Those people has websites and they want to know how they can rank their website number one on Google. Okay, so what you will do, for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you will go back to Fiverr like this and you will click on the search and you will and you will search for Google SEO. Search for Google SEO. Okay, let me show you like this. Just search for Google SEO and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who provide this service on Fiverr. You see this? A lot of people here, they have experience, they know exactly how to rank website number one on Google. Okay, so for you, what you need to do is you need to choose good sellers. So how you can choose good sellers? Always choose like top rated sellers and pro sellers and level 2 sellers. Okay, those sellers will be good sellers. Okay, because those sellers should have experience and they know exactly how to do this service. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose one of the sellers. Let me see here. We have pro sellers. We have like this one, pro. I will do monthly local SEO service for Google ranking. Like this one is good. We have also, I will SEO backlink hike to build service for Google. Like this one also is good, but I'm gonna choose, I will skyrocket. Like this one also, I will skyrocket your local SEO, Google business, and Google my business ranking. Like this one. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna choose this one, guys. I think this one is good. It's pro seller. Okay, so this one is good. It's verified by Fiverr, and this one is good, can provide good service for his customers. So what I will do, I will click on this seller service like this. Okay, and I will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. If I scroll down, this already people paying for this service. You can see, guys, here. Okay, 34 orders in queue. Look how many reviews. Look how many people paid for this service. Okay, just for this one seller, 24,000 reviews, meaning 24,000 people paid for this service. Okay, it's working, and they need people who search for on YouTube, who search for how to rank number one on Google. A lot of people will be interested to buy this service. Okay, because this service can help them rank their website number one and rank good on Google in the first page. Okay, so for you, what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of the seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click on your dashboard over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. You will be in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. This one, okay? Because you copied, if you copied pro sellers link, this one will be your affiliate link. If you copied top rated and level 2 sellers or level 1 sellers links, this one will be your affiliate link. Okay, this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. And pro sellers, this one will be your affiliate link. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, for me, I still have this option, guy, Fiverr CPA old plan. So for you, if you have new account, you can see this option, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account and I have been doing this business for over 5 years. That's why I still have this option. Okay, so for you, you will have this one new plan and this one new plan Fiverr Pro. Okay, and they are almost the same, and I will explain more about this. Okay, so now we created our Fiverr affiliate account. What we need to do is we need to promote we created our affiliate account. What we need to do next is we need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so what we will do, I will go back to this seller profile page. I will scroll down. You guys can see that the seller has a video, which is really good. Let's check his video.
Are you a business owner struggling online? Or do you have problems like not getting enough customers, making less?
So this video explaining this service, this video explaining how the seller can help people rank #1 on Google and start getting customers. Maybe they are selling services or products. They will start making and getting traffic. Okay, that's what the seller is will do. Okay, so what you will do next, for you, double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, and save this video to your laptop. I will click here on save, and what you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva, search for this website. It's for free, it's easy to use. Just sign up using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click here on video and click on YouTube video, and you will be again to this page. You will click here on upload like this. Click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. This one about Google SEO. This one. Okay, click on open like this, and your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here in this page. You can see here.
Are you a business?
Click on this 3 points and just scroll down and click on set video as background like this. Click on text. Pay close attention, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one like this, and I will delete this part. Okay, I will delete the second one, decrease the font size of this text like this, and I will put this text here. Double click on the text and write this sentence here. Check link in description. Okay, check link in description, because we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, so I will make this title like this. I will click here on elements and I will scroll down here to choose or to search for this one, shapes. I'm gonna choose this one here. I will click on color, black color. I will choose black color from here, and I will put this shape behind my text like this. Okay, to make the text looks clear and good. Okay, check link in my description, and here you go. This will be the video that you guys can use to promote this service on YouTube. So what you will do next, you will click on share and click on download. The video will be downloaded into your laptop. You will go back to YouTube, open a YouTube channel, okay, that you will start using to promote just those services related to topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, and use when you will upload this video, use this title exactly like this: how to rank #1 on Google. Okay, exactly like this. Or you can use how to rank #1 on Google using Fiverr. Okay, try different titles and see which title is working, which title gets clicks, and then you can double what's working and you will avoid what's not working. Okay, Or you can also, guys, you have two options. You can create your own content. If you don't want to use those Fiverr videos, you can create your own content. You can create your script that you will use to for this video to promote this service, and you can make your own video. Okay, and after you upload your video, guys, you will go back to get your affiliate link that you will put your in your YouTube description. You will go back. So let me show you. You will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Scroll down here. This is your affiliate link, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, okay, like this, and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Go back and put your affiliate link in your YouTube video description, and in your YouTube description use those keywords that people are using. Use ChatGPT to create an optimized description for your videos to rank high in the search results. So people who are searching for how to rank number one on Google, they can find your video in the search results, watch your video, check your link, buy the service from you, you earn a commission. Those people will, a lot of people will be interested. They are already paying for the service. You can see here, okay, people already paying for the service, and it's the same audience. Okay, this audience who search for how to rank number one on Google, it's the same audience here. Okay, 34 orders in queue. Look how many people paid for this service. People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers. Okay, so how much you will earn if someone buys this service from your link. Okay, so this service is for $345. I will copy this to show you guys. And if we go back to our Fiverr affiliates account, we have here Fiverr Pro new plan. If we click here, you guys can see over here that you will earn a CPA of 17% of the first purchase. Okay, this meaning first purchase. Plus, you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase your buyers make for the next 12 months. Okay, 17% for the first order. And if you go to ChatGPT, if you ask him what is 17% of $345, it's $241. Okay, do you see this? $241 for just one service. Okay, if one person buy the service from you, you earn $241. So just make good content that will turn viewers into buyers. Okay, that can convince people to buy the service from you. You need to talk about the benefits of the service, how the service can help those people. This seller is pro seller. This seller know exactly. This seller has experience. You just need to provide value. Okay. You need to create good script that convert views into buyers. You don't need to pay for ads. The traffic is already here on YouTube. You just need to make good content. And by the way, guys, for people who want to take this business seriously, I want to invite you to join my exclusive course. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you how I'm making $1,000 every single month using with affiliate marketing, using free traffic from different social media platforms. I'm using YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Shorts, and more. Okay, if you are interested, feel free to reach out to me. You will get access to all my profitable services that I'm promoting, how we can make good content that converts viewers into buyers, and so much more. So feel free to reach out to me if you are interested. And thank you so much for watching. You want to see this more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing, like this video, and see you in my next videos. You also have a lot of topics that you can promote. Okay, so guys, don't just keep promoting just this one. You don't have just this one. Look, you just type keyword here on the YouTube search bar, and you have how to rank number one on Amazon with SEO. Go search for Amazon SEO services. YouTube SEO, go search for YouTube SEO services. Pinterest SEO, go search for Pinterest SEO services. You have the idea. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.